Shadows deep, you held me tight so I could sleep. You gave me peace when storms would rise and wipe the teardrops from my eyes. Your arms a place I found my rest, a mirror of His righteousness.
A mother's love like Jesus,
Strong and kind,
always patient, always
by my side.
You forgave before I knew
I sinned,
you loved me back to life.
life again.
Your hands, they carry heaven's touch.
A mother's love like Jesus is just enough. You taught me how to trust and pray, to seek His light, to walk His way. Your quiet faith, it